Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication inside your Amazon shopping app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Amazon shopping app on your phone. And then from here, look down at the bottom of the page, click into your profile. And then click on your account. And then from here, under account settings, click into login and security. And then make sure you're signed in, so I'll go ahead and do that now. And now I'm signing in. And then here, scroll down, and where it says two-step verification, click on turn on to add an extra layer of security. So you got two options, to use your phone number or use a Authenticator app. In this example, I'm going to use my phone number. So simply add in your phone number and choose the right country code. And then once you add in your phone number, you'll get a one-time password sent to your phone. So once you've got that, enter your one-time password. It'll be different for every phone. Wait for that to load. And then from here, click on, you can either don't require OTP on this browser or click on got it, turn on two-step verification. Click on turn on two-step verification. And that's it guys, how to enable two-factor authentication inside your Amazon shopping app. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.